In this video, let's talk about how to use Amazon Music on multiple devices. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video on how Chenik. If you're trying to log into your Amazon Music account or your Amazon account on multiple devices, you can easily do it without any restrictions. You can just head over to the platform of Amazon Music through its website or through the app of Amazon Music on your phone, and you just need to use your credentials of Amazon, the email address, the phone number, and the password that you use while signing up. As soon as you enter in your credentials, you will be immediately signed in, and as I said, you do not have any restrictions of logging in to multiple devices. But the only issue is you won't be able to play songs simultaneously on multiple devices. If you already have a song playing, let's say on your laptop, and you're trying to play it on your phone as well, you cannot do that. The song that is playing on your laptop, first of all, will automatically stop, and only then you'll be able to play it on your phone. If you're trying to play songs simultaneously on multiple devices, for that you'll need the family plan of Amazon Music. Only if you have the family plan, you'll be able to play songs simultaneously. So if you do want to upgrade, click on the upgrade button and make sure you pick the family plan of Amazon Music. I do hope this guide video helped you out in understanding multiple device logins inside of Amazon Music. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.